dry, but that's about to change as showers and thunderstorms are marching in from the northwest. I wanted to show you where the heaviest rainfall is now. Medina County just getting dumped on with heavy rainfall. Frequent lightning for you here as temperatures are warm and saturated. Want to put on that storm track, let you know where these particular storms are headed as far as the locations go. We've got 449 for Young's Corners. We've got Conningville at 450, Buzzard Roost at 452. Bath Center at 454, Bath at 455. And I bring this up because it is a big thunderstorm moving off to the north and to the east here this morning. And we also still have a severe thunderstorm watch until 10 a.m. for some of our southern counties, which does not include Medina, where we're finding our heaviest thunderstorm activity currently. So we're watching some of these southern cells to see if they're going to cause a problem for us. Still under a flash flood watch until 7 a.m. for our highlighted green counties. Also watch out near Killbuck Creek. Flood warning in place for today. Likely to be an issue through tomorrow as it continues to flood. A lot of lightning flashes for you there. We're also watching the development of showers and thunderstorms here, just moving out of Ripley, headed towards East Union and Salt Creek, Holmesville. You've got some heavy shower and thunderstorm activity moving in. Same story for you there in Millersburg. Moving to the north, it's much lighter, but you're just getting started there in Summit County. Showers and thunderstorms will be heightened this morning, but the good news is we move towards game time and Friday evening plans. May it be for the ballpark or headed out to see the Cavs. Weather much better. Problem is, it'll be gusty, windy, and quite a mess in and around downtown because of the recent rainfall. We're talking 1 to 3 inches in total over a lot of places here by the time we're all said and done. Your weekend, quite beautiful though too. Jackie?